go over this part. This is the mirror lockup lever and the DOF preview, depth of field preview button. So let's remove the lens first. So the mirror lockup lever is used to lock up the mirror when you're shooting. Well, the manual says that if you're using it with ultra telephotos or macro photography, just if you don't want to have like excessive vibrations. Apparently the snap of the mirror causes some vibration, so that's if we move the mirror up, that lessens it. So here we go. There goes the shutter. Now let's put that back. Just slide this back up and the mirror goes down. Now as far as this DOF preview button is, let's put the lens back on. Let's set the aperture to the smallest of 22. That's what it's used for. You want to check the depth of field while shooting. This is also like used when you meter a non-AI lens. So let's put this up. Here's a non-AI lens. As you can see, it doesn't have this notch. So when you meter this, press the DOF preview button and then half press this just to get the exposure that it should, like the good exposure that you want to get.